Hey everyone, quick first look at the Amazfit Bip Max. And honestly, for under $100, this thing is kind of wild. Starting with the display, you're getting a massive 2.07-inch AMOLED screen that can hit up to 3,000 nits. In real use, it's insanely bright and super easy to read outdoors, even in harsh sunlight. The build also feels better than you'd expect at this price, thanks to the aluminum alloy frame. It gives it a more premium vibe without making it heavy. On the fitness side, you've got 150+ workout modes, built-in GPS, offline maps, and even music storage, so you can leave your phone behind. Health tracking covers the usuals like heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and HRV. Battery life is another win, about 20 days on typical use, which is honestly hard to beat. Now, it's not perfect. The ZEP and software can feel a bit rough, and GPS accuracy won't match high-end Garmin devices. But overall, for the price, this is seriously strong value.